One common emergency that we see are animals that have come in because they've been hit by a car or another vehicle in some sort of trauma. So if you are unfortunate enough to witness that type of accident, the best thing you can do is to try and get that animal safely and quickly to an emergency such as ourselves. As soon as you arrive, we're going to want to assess that animal very, very quickly. What you'll find is that when you come in, there'll probably be a triage bell rang, and one of our medical team will come to the front as soon as possible. They'll meet you, they'll ask you a couple of questions, and then quite quickly we're going to whisk your animal to the back. In the meantime, you'll be talking to one of our CSR team. They'll be making sure that they get all of the details about the accident, what you saw, as well as making sure that you're comfortable whilst you wait. So what's going on while you're waiting is that we're assessing all the major body systems. At this point, knowing that your animal's been in such a big accident, we don't initially know all of the areas that are affected. There might be things that are obvious on the exam. We're going to gain a lot from doing an ultrasound quickly and making sure that we get an idea of any internal bleeding or internal changes. Once we've done that and we've collected some of these vital signs, we're going to then have a conversation with you and let you know our initial findings and which direction we think things are headed. So following that discussion, you'll find that we'll have a few different recommendations. Depending on the situation, there may well be things that we're aware that need treatment right away, and we'll advise you on that. There's likely to be other things that we might have suspicions over or we need some follow-up testing. Take a little bit more time just to make sure we understand the full extent of the injuries.